Hi, hello, welcome to Vidyapedan. This is Nitya, and today we are going to discuss about the Indian geography. India is the seventh largest country in the world, and the total geographical area or covering area is 32 lakh 87,263 kilometers square. That is 3.28 million square kilometer. The total geographical area is 3.28 million square kilometer, and it is 2.42 percentage of the world area, and it is the 2.42 percentage of the world area. And India extent, the latitude is 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north. So India extended, the latitude is 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north, and the longitude is 68 degree 7 east to 97 degree 25 east. The longitude is 68 degree 7 east to 97 degree 25 east, and India is entirely lies in the northern hemisphere on the southern part of the Asian continent. India lies entirely in the northern hemisphere, and the southernmost point of India is Indira Point. Southernmost point of India is Indira Point, and it is situated in the Great Nicobar. So Indira Point is in Great Nicobar. Southernmost point of India is Indira Point, and northernmost point is Indira Col. Northernmost point is India is Indira Col, and it is in Karakoram. Okay, don't confuse both. Southernmost point is Indira Point, it is in Great Nicobar. Northernmost point of India is Indira Col, and it is in Karakoram. The easternmost point is Kibattu, it is in Arunachal Pradesh. Easternmost point is Kibattu, it is in Arunachal Pradesh. Westernmost point is Gormota, it is in Gujarat. So southernmost point is Indira Point, it is in Great Nicobar, and the northernmost point of India is Indira Col, it is in Karakoram. Easternmost point of India is Kibattu, it is in Arunachal Pradesh, and westernmost point is Gormota, it is in Gujarat. The distance between north to south is 3,214 kilometer. 3,214 kilometer, the north south distance. Okay, the north south distance is 3,214 kilometer, and the distance between east to west. The distance between east to west is 2,933 kilometer. 2,933 kilometer, and the land boundary of India is 15,200 kilometer. The length of the land frontier or the land boundary is 15,200 kilometer. Sea boundary is 6,083 kilometer. Sea coastline is 7,517 kilometer. Okay, land boundary of India is 15,200 kilometer. Sea boundary is 6,083 kilometer, and the sea coastline is 7,517 kilometer. So we share the maritime border with other countries: Myanmar, Thailand, Indonesia. So maritime border with other countries are three, that is Myanmar, Thailand, and Indonesia. And India share land boundary with the 7 countries: Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. They share the land boundary with the 7 countries, and in this the largest boundary is with Bangladesh. Okay, largest land boundary with Bangladesh. India is sharing the least boundary with Afghanistan, and the smallest neighboring country of India is Bhutan, and the largest neighboring country of India is China. So the largest sharing land boundary with Bangladesh and least boundary with Afghanistan, and the smallest neighboring country of India is Bhutan. Largest neighboring country of India is China. So next topic is sea coast states in India. There are 9 states have sea coast. There is Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. There are 9 states: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. Gujarat has the longest mainland coastline in India. So Gujarat has the longest mainland coastline in India, and Andhra Pradesh has second longest mainland coastline in India. Gujarat is the first and second in Andhra Pradesh. In South India, the Andhra Pradesh has the longest mainland coastline in India. Okay, and the states and union territories. There are total 28 states and 9 union territories in India. Boundaries line between India and neighboring countries is the corridor between India and Bangladesh is 3 Bigha. Okay, the corridor between India and Bangladesh is 3 Bigha. Myanmar, India border mountain Patkai range. So Myanmar and India border mountain is Patkai range. Borderline between India and Pakistan is Red Cliff line. Borderline between India and Pakistan is Red Cliff line. Borderline between India and Afghanistan is Durand line. Okay, borderline between India and Pakistan is Red Cliff line. Borderline between India and Afghanistan is Durand line, and between Nepal and India is Mahabharat range. Borderline between India and China is McMahon line or line of actual control. It is in west. Okay, McMahon line is in east and the line of actual control in west. Okay, there are 2 borderline between India and China. One is in east and one is in west. So in east, McMahon line and line of actual control in west. So boundaries line between India and neighboring countries. The borderline, the corridor between India and Bangladesh is 3 Bigha, and Myanmar India border mountain is Patkai range. Nepal and India border mountain is Mahabharat range. Borderline between India and Pakistan is Red Cliff line. Borderline between India and Afghanistan is Durand line, and the borderline between India and China is 2 lines are there. One is in east and another one is in west. McMahon line is east and line of actual control in west. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more videos, and see you soon in the next video. Bye.